Welcome to this product review of the CZUR M3000 Pro V3, an in-depth analysis of the premium A3 48 megapixels document and book scanner. The CZUR M3000 Pro V3 is engineered for high-end professional environments, offering unparalleled digitization speeds and image fidelity. Key features include premium A3 scanning, a 48 megapixel CMOS sensor, and non-destructive archiving design. The core technological specs include an industry-leading CMOS optical sensor for archival clarity and 24-bit color depth image output in JPG formats. Smart automation features include intelligent autoscan triggered by page turning, streamlining the digitization process. The intelligent software offers a built-in OCR engine for searchable text and rapid autoscan to accelerate workflow. Other features include curve flattening algorithms and automatic fingerprint removal for clean, straight digital pages. The V-Cradle advantage is key to non-destructive scanning. This specialized physical design accommodates a book's natural opening angle, preventing spine damage and page tearing, ideal for fragile volumes. The M3000 Pro V3's ideal target market is highly concentrated, with libraries and archives making up 40%, legal and corporate firms 30%, government and education 20%, and individual collectors 10%. Strengths include the ultra-high 48 megapixels resolution and the non-destructive V-Cradle design. However, considerations are the premium pricing and the required 30-day delivery window.